parents you shared your secrets with, and your location you forgot to turn it off. So I watch as you walk into some bar called the Black Dog, and pierce new holes in my heart. You forgot to turn it off, and it hits me. I just don't understand how you don't miss me in the Black Dog when someone plays a starting line and you jump up, 'cause she's too young to know this song that was intertwined in the magic fabric of our dreaming. 'Cause old habits die screaming. I walk through the world with a heart broken, my longing stared unspoken, and I may never open up the way I did for you. And all of these best laid plans, you said I needed a brave man, and proceeded to play him until I believed it too. And it kills me, I just don't understand how you don't miss me in the shower. Remember how my rain-soaked body was shaking. Do you hate me? Was it hazing for some cruel fraternity I pledged, and I still mean it? 'Cause old habits die screaming. 6 weeks of breathing cleaner, I still miss the smoke. Were you making fun of me with some esoteric joke? Now I wanna build my house, set fire to all my clothes, and hire a priest to come and exorcise my demons, even if I die screaming. And I hope you hear it. I hope it's shitty in the Black Dog when someone plays a starting line and you jump up, 'cause she's too young to know this song was intertwined in the tragic fabric of